dear 6th standard children. How are you? I hope all of you are safe and good at home. So, dear 6th standard children, so we can revise Science 1 in this session. Okay, for our FA1 exam. So, are you all preparing for your FA1 exam? Yes, tomorrow is our science exam, right? So, today we can revise Science 1 for our FA1 exam. So, are you all ready, children? Yes, come on, let's get started. So, okay, children, first we can revise science lesson matter around us. So, which lesson we are going to revise today? Matter around us. So, shall we start? Yes. So, children, please take your textbook, science textbook, page number 50. So, please take your textbook, page number 50. So, I hope all of you have taken? Yes. So, first Roman number. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Dash is not made of matter. So, I taught you about matter, right? In the lesson, matter around us. So, 3 states of matter is there. Solid, liquid, gas. So, what is the question here they have asked? Which is not made up of matter? So, first, gold ring. So, gold ring is made up of matter or not? Yes, it is made up of solid, right? Next, iron nail. Iron nail is also made up of a solid. And then, light ray. Light ray is made up of what? Solid is not there. Liquid is not there. Gas also is not there. So, what is the answer? Light ray. Because light ray is not made up of matter. And the option D is oil drop. Oil drop, you know very well, that is liquid. Okay, children? So, whenever you're answering the choose no, first you have to check why other options are not the answer. Okay, then you will get the right answer, I hope. Okay? Yes, children? So, light ray is the answer. Light ray is not made up of matter. So, come on everybody, close your eyes. I'm going to ask this question. Dash is not made up of matter. What is the answer? Come on, tell me. Light ray. Yes, light ray is not made up of matter. And the next question. 200 ml of water is poured into a bowl of 400 ml capacity. The volume of water will be what? Dash. Option A, 400 ml. Option B, 600 ml. Option C, 200 ml. Option D, 800 ml. This also I taught you and I gave you a beautiful experiment also have shown. Can you remember that? The 2 sachet of juices I made, right? Yes. So, if you take 200 ml of water and pour in a 400 ml capacity of a bowl, the water will be same, right? Yes, it will be 200 ml only. So, what is the answer? 200 ml only. Because always the volume will not change in water. Okay. So, in whatever the objects or things if you pour, the water volume will be same. Okay, children. So, 200 ml of water is poured into a bowl of 400 ml capacity. So, the volume of water will be 200 ml. And the third question. Seeds from watermelon. All of you like to eat watermelon, right? So, seeds from watermelon can be removed by what method? Option A, hand picking. Option B, filtration. Option C, magnetic separation. Option D, decantation. It is very obvious, right? When you eat watermelon, if the seeds are disturbing, what you will do? Immediately you will start picking from your hand, right? Yes, so the answer is hand picking. Okay. Seeds from watermelon can be removed by hand picking. Okay. And the fourth question. Lighter impurities like dust when mixed with rice or pulses can be removed by dash. Okay. Lighter impurities like dust when mixed with rice or pulses can be removed by which method? Winnowing. So, option A, filtration. Option B, sedimentation. Option C, decantation. Option D, winnowing. Yes, you know very well, right? Winnowing is a method which helps to remove the dust when it is mixed with the rice. So come on, tell me the answer. Lighter impurities like dust when mixed with rice or pulses can be removed by winnowing. And the fifth question. Dash is essential to perform winnowing activity. Which one is essential in that? Rain, soil, water, air. What is the answer? Come on, tell me. Yes, it is air. Air is essential to perform winnowing activity. Question number 6. Filtration method is effective in separating dash mixture. Which mixture the filtration method is very effective? Number 1. Solid, solid, solid to liquid, liquid to liquid, liquid to gas. What is the answer? Solid to liquid. That is the answer. Filtration method is effective in separating solid to liquid mixture. Among the following, dash is not a mixture. Come on, tell me which is not a mixture here. Option A, coffee with milk. Option B, lemon juice. Option C, water. Option D, ice cream embedded with nuts. So you are very hungry to eat everything? Yes, coffee with milk is a mixture. When you mix coffee and milk, that is a mixture. Lemon juice, everybody knows that is a mixture. Water is not a mixture. What is the answer? Water. Because nothing is there to mix, just a glass of water. Children, next we are going to see fill in the blanks. Okay. So number 1, matter is made up of dash. So matter is made up of what? Atoms, right? Matter is made up of atoms. Come on, repeat with me. Matter is made up of atoms. Matter is made up of atoms. Okay. And the second question. In solids, the space between the particles is less than in dash. So they are comparing here. Okay. So in solid, the space between the particles is less than what? They are comparing liquid, right? So the answer is liquid. In solids, the space between the particles is less than that of liquid. Because in solid, the particles are tightly packed. In liquid, the particles are loosely packed. Compared to solid, here it is loosely packed. In solids, the space between the particles is less than in liquid. Grains can be separated from their stalks by dash. So how the grains are separated, children? If you go to the village and see, how beautifully they will separate the grains, Grains can be separated from their stalks by threshing. Grains can be separated from their stalks by threshing. And the next question. Chilies are removed from upma by dash method. So everybody loves upma, right? Do you like upma? Okay. So chilies are removed from upma by dash method. How you will remove the chili from upma? You're telling that, Miss, I won't like upma at all. Okay, children. So chilies are removed by upma. From upma by hand picking method. So if you're eating upma, if chilies are there, what you will do? You will follow any method to pick that out? No, simply just using the hands, you will pick the chilies and keep it away, right? So chilies are removed from upma by hand picking method. And the next question. 5. The method employed to separate clay particles from water is decantation. So how they will separate the clay particles, children, from water? So if the clay and water is mixed together, by decantation method, they will separate this. Okay. So come on, tell me. The method employed to separate clay particles from water is what? Decantation. And the sixth question. Water obtained from tube wells is usually dash water. So from the tube well, we are getting water, right? So that is what water? Ground water. From the ground only we are getting water, right? So from the river, all the sources we are getting. But then the water that is obtained from tube wells is usually from groundwater only they will take. So tell me the answer. Water obtained from tube wells is usually dash water, groundwater. And the last question. Which among the following will get attracted to by magnet? So they are asking here, which object here will be attracted by magnet, they are asking. So it is very easy. Come on, answer. Safety pins, pencil and rubber band. So pencil will not attract because it is a wood, and rubber band also will not attract. So what will attract? Safety pins only will attract to the magnet. Come on, answer. Which among the following will get attracted to by magnet? Safety pins. Third Roman letter. State true or false. So will you find out whether it is true or false? Okay. So air is not compressible. True or false? Air is not compressible. False. Because air is compressible, right? If you fill in a can, the air will be filled inside. That is, the gas will be filled inside a container, right? So air is compressible. So air is not compressible is false. Come on, tell me. Air is not compressible. False. Liquids have no fixed volume but have fixed shape. Is it true? False. Why? Because liquid have no fixed volume, they are telling. Liquids have no fixed volume, right? But have fixed shape. It has fixed shape. No. In whatever the container we pour, it takes the shape of the container. Yes, no children? So, liquids have no fixed volume but have fixed shape. False. Come on, tell me. Liquids have no fixed volume but have fixed shape. False. Particles in solids are free to move. Is it free to move? Particles in solids are very tightly packed, right? So here they are telling it is free to move. So it is false. Particles in solids are free to move. False. When pulses are washed with water before cooking, water is separated from them by filtration. True. It is true, right? When pulses are washed with water before cooking. So before cooking they will wash, no? Mother will wash, no? So water is separated from them. How it is separated? By filtration. They will filter the water. Then only they can get the pulses separately, right? So it is a filtration method. So what is the answer? True.
Strainer is a kind of sieve which is used to separate a liquid from solid. True. Strainer is a kind of sieve which is used to separate a liquid from solid. True. You know strainer, no children? Our mother used to strain coffee, right?
Grain and husk can be separated by winnowing. Yes, no? Grain and husk can be separated by winnowing. That is true. So husk and grain always it will be together. If you see in the crops, no? You can see that children, the paddy field. Grains and husk can be separated by which method? Winnowing method. So it is true.
Children, here is the next question. Air is a pure substance. It is false. Air is a pure substance. False. Because air is a mixture of substance, right? So, it is false. Air is a pure substance. False. Butter from curds is separated by sedimentation. No, it is not separated by sedimentation, right? Butter from curds is separated by sedimentation. It is false.
Next we are going to see match the following. So tell me, answer me. Breaks easily, which means brittle. Which is brittle? Mud pot. Bends readily, which one? Plastic wire. Can be stretched easily, which one? Rubber band. Get compressed easily, cotton wool. Gets heated readily, which one? Metal pan. Immediately it will be heated up. Okay children, so come on, answer. Breaks easily. What is the answer? Repeat. Breaks easily. Mud pot. Bends readily. Which one? Plastic wire. Can be stretched easily. Rubber band. Get compressed easily. Which one? The answer is cotton wool. Gets heated readily. The answer is metal pan. So now we are going to revise question answers. Okay, answered in short. So are you ready children? Yes. So a rubber ball changes its shape on pressing. Can it be a solid? What is the question? A rubber ball changes its shape on pressing. Can it be a solid? They are questioning. What is the answer? A rubber ball can change its shape on pressing, but it is a solid. This happens. Why? Because when pressure is applied on the ball, it makes it to change the shape and gains its original shape when it is released. Okay. So if you take a rubber ball, no children, you try this and see. If you take a rubber ball, what will happen? If you press like this, it will shrink, right? It will shrink. Then if you again release it like this, it will come to a normal shape. So that is the question they are asking. A rubber ball can change its shape on pressing. So is it a solid? They are questioning. Yes. Come on now, repeat with me. A rubber ball can change its shape on pressing, but it is a solid. This happens because when pressure is applied on the ball, it makes it to change the shape and gain its original shape when it is released. Second question. Define the term matter. Define the term matter. So what is a matter? Matter is defined as anything that has mass and takes up the space. What is a matter? Matter is defined as anything that has mass. Mass means weight. Okay. Mass and takes up the space. If you keep it on a table, it will take the space of a table. Okay, children. So come on, answer. Define the term matter. Matter is defined as anything that has mass and takes up the space. Third question. Define sedimentation. The settling down of heavier component of a mixture when undisturbed for some time is called sedimentation. So, I told you, right? So, if you pour water and if you pour sand inside the water, what will happen? Immediately the sand settles down. So, that settling is called as sedimentation. If you not disturb the sand for some time, it will settle down at the bottom of the container. So, that is sedimentation. Define sedimentation. The settling down of heavier component of a mixture when undisturbed for some time is called sedimentation. Number 4. Distinguish between a pure substance and an impure substance. Okay, shall we distinguish? Yes. Pure substance, impure substance. Pure substance is made up of one kind of particles. Okay, so if it is water, there is nothing other particles mixed inside that. Water means only water. Pure substance is made up of one kind of particles. Whereas in impure substance is made up of combination of two or more particles. And then a pure substance has constant physical and chemical properties. An impure substance has varying physical and chemical properties. Okay, because if you mix together, many particles will be there. So it does not take one constant chemical properties or physical properties. Okay, children. Yes, come on, tell me the distinguish between the pure substance and impure substance. Pure substance is made up of one kind of particles. Come on, repeat with me. Pure substance is made up of one kind of particles, whereas impure substance is made up of combination of two or more pure substances. Here, a pure substance has constant physical and chemical properties. Here, an impure substance has varying physical and chemical properties. Next, 5. Question number 5. Why do gases do not have fixed shape? So gases don't have fixed shape, right? We cannot see gas also. Okay, air also we cannot see, right? So why that does not have fixed shape, children? Yes, gases possess more intermolecular space. It has much space between them, right? It is very loosely packed. Gases possess more intermolecular space. It has less force of attraction. There is no force of attraction there. Okay, less force of attraction and the tendency of filling the entire part of the container by taking the shape of the container. So that's why it takes the shape of the container. Come on, answer. Why do gases do not have fixed shape? gases possess more intermolecular space, it has less force of attraction and the tendency of filling the entire part of the container by taking the shape of the container. Okay children, last question. What is meant by food adulteration? Come on, tell me what is meant by food adulteration? The addition of unwanted or harmful substance to food is called food adulteration. So addition of unwanted and harmful substance. Okay. So there is no need of that addition, but they will add that. Okay. That is called food adulteration. The addition of unwanted or harmful substances to food is called food adulteration. Example what? Mixing of papaya seeds to pepper. So everybody have seen pepper, no children? How it will be like black, small, it will be small particles, okay, right? It is very small. And if you mix the papaya seeds and pepper looks same, right? So if you mix papaya seeds with pepper, you cannot find it all. So that type of things is called as food adulteration. So they are cheating people, right? So we also, we do not know, right? So we simply believe them and we will buy that. So these types of things mixing like this is called as food adulteration. So come on, tell me the answer. What is meant by food adulteration? The addition of unwanted or harmful substances to food is called food adulteration. Give me one example. Mixing of papaya seeds to pepper. Children, now we are going to see the detailed answer. Okay. List any 5 methods of separation. Explain any 2 in brief. So, you know what is the 5 methods of separation? Number 1, hand picking. Number 2, magnetic separation. Number 3, sedimentation. Number 4, decantation. Number 5, filtration. So, these are the 5 methods. You can explain any 2. So that is magnetic separation and sedimentation you can explain. So what is a magnetic separation? The process of separating a magnetic substance from a non-substance using a magnet is called magnetic separation. And then what is the sedimentation? The settling down of heavier components of a mixture when undisturbed for some time is called sedimentation. So come on, now you are going to answer. List any 5 methods of separation. Explain any 2 in brief. 5 methods of separation. What is that? Hand picking, magnetic separation, sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Magnetic separation. The process of separating a magnetic substance from a non-magnetic substance using a magnet is called magnetic separation. So what is the sedimentation? The settling down of heavier components of a mixture when undisturbed for some time is called sedimentation. And here is the first question. Distinguish between properties of solid, liquid and gas. Draw suitable diagram. First, solid, liquid and gas you have to distinguish, children. So you know how a solid will be, how a liquid will be and how a gas will be. So first, solid. Definite shape and volume. In liquid, no definite shape. Liquids attain the shape of a vessel. You know, it takes the shape of the container. And then in gas have neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. It has nothing. Okay. And the next one. In solid, it is incompressible. In liquid, compressible to a small extent. In gas, highly compressible. And the third point. There is a little shape between the particles of solid. Okay. There is a little space. Okay, children. There is a little space between the particle of solid because it is tightly packed. Here in liquid, these particles have a greater space between them. And in gases, the space between gas particle is the greatest, which means very loosely packed. And then force of attraction is more. In solid, the force of attraction is more. In liquid, the force of attraction is less than that of solid. And then in gas, the force of attraction is the least. Okay. So you can draw the picture also, children. This is in solid how it is packed. You see, very tightly packed. And in liquid water, it is little bit loosely packed. And in gas are very loosely packed. Okay, children.
So children, now we can see the detail once again. Okay, solid, liquid and gas. Distinguish between the properties of a solid, liquid and gas. Draw suitable diagram. Solid. It has definite shape and volume. Liquid, no definite shape. Liquids attain the shape of the vessel in which they are kept. Gases. Gases have neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. Liquid is incompressible. A solid is incompressible. Liquid is compressible to a small extent. Gas is highly compressible. In solid, there is a little space between the particles of solids. Okay, because it is tightly packed, right? So there is little space only. Liquid, the particles have a greater space between them. And in gases, the space between gas particles is the greatest, which means very loosely packed. And in solid, force of attraction is more. And in liquid, the force of attraction is less than the solid. Gases, the force of attraction is the least, very least. So you can see this diagram, children, how in solid the particles are packed, and how in liquid the particles are packed, and how in gases the particles are packed. In solid, example stone, it is tightly packed, and in liquid, example water, it is packed loosely compared to solid, and in gases it is packed very loose. Okay. Children, now we can see lesson 7, computer and introduction. Okay. So first we can see choose. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Who is the father of computer? Who is the father of computer? Option A, Martin Luther King. Option B, Graham Bell. Option C, Charlie Chaplin. Option D, Charles Babbage. So the answer is Charles Babbage. Come on, answer. Who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage. Who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage. Which of the following is another form of computer? Which of the following is another form of computer? Option A, blackboard. Option B, mobile. Option C, radio. Option D, book. So option B, mobile. Everybody knows that, right? Because mobile is another form of computer. We often use mobile, and now it has become mandatory, right? So next, which of the following is another form of computer? Mobile. When was the first computer introduced? When was the first computer introduced? Option A, 1980. Option B, 1947. Option C, 1946. Option D, 1985. The answer is 1946. When was the first computer introduced? Come on, answer. 1946. When was the first computer introduced? 1946. Question number 4. Who is the computer's first programmer? Who is the computer's first programmer? A. Lady Wellington. B. Augusta Ada Lovelace. C. Marie Curie. D. Mary Kom. So the answer is Augusta Ada Lovelace. Who is the computer's first programmer? Augusta Ada Lovelace. Who is the computer's first programmer? Augusta Ada Lovelace. 5. Pick out the odd one. So which is the odd one here, children? Option A, calculator. Option B, abacus. Option C, flashcard. Option D, laptop. So it is very easy, right? Option C, flashcard is the answer, because calculator, abacus and laptop, these are electronic devices, and flashcard is what you know very well. What is a flashcard? So flashcard is nothing but it is a slip of paper where we write to draw something and show. Okay, so that is a flashcard. Pick out the odd one. What is the answer? Flashcard. Pick out the odd one. Flashcard. Now we can see fill in the blanks. First question. Data is dash information. Data is dash information. Come on, answer. Data is a collection of information, right? So all the information, when it is collected together, that is called as data. So come on, answer. Data is a collection of information. Data is a collection of information. Question number 2. World's first general purpose computer is dash. Which is the world's first general purpose computer? That is ENIAC. ENIAC. Okay. Which is the world's first general purpose computer? ENIAC. So next, information is dash data. Information is dash data. So information is processed data. Come on, answer. Information is processed data. Question number 4. Fifth generation computer has dash intelligence. So fifth generation computer has artificial intelligence. Fifth generation computer has artificial intelligence. Question number 5. Dash is the device that uses index number. Computer. You know very well that computer is a device that uses index number. Computer is a device that uses index number. Okay, children. Third Roman letter, state true or false. Okay, state true or false. This is also in page number 100, children. So question number 1. Computer is an electronic device. Come on, tell me true or false. It is very easy, right? Computer is an electronic device. It is true. Come on, answer. Computer is an electronic device. True. Computer is an electronic device. True. Sir Isaac Newton invented computer. Is it true or false? Sir Isaac Newton invented computer. False. Because who invented computer? Charles Babbage, right? So here they have given Sir Isaac Newton. So it is false. Sir Isaac Newton invented computer. True or false? False. Question number 3. Computer can do calculations fast. Computer can do calculations fast. True or false? True. You know very well, right? Because computer can do calculations very fast. So it is true. Come on, answer. Computer can do calculation fast. True. Question number 4. Software is a physical component of computer. Software is a physical component of computer. It is false. So it is not a physical component, right? Hardware is only the physical component. Software is a physical component of computer. False. Come on, answer. Software is a physical component of computer. False. Question number 5. Vacuum tube is second generation computer. It is false. Vacuum tube is a second generation computer. False. Because which is this vacuum tube is a first generation computer. Okay, it is not second generation computer. So it is false. Vacuum tube is a second generation computer. False. Okay, so now we can see match the following, children. Roman number 4, match the following. First generation, vacuum tubes. Okay, first generation, vacuum tubes. Second generation computer, transistor. Second generation computer, transistor. Third generation computer, integrated circuit. Third generation computer, integrated circuit. Fourth generation computer, microprocessor. Fourth generation computer, microprocessor. Fifth generation computer, artificial intelligence. Fifth generation computer, artificial intelligence. Okay, shall I question you? Come on, close your eyes and answer. First generation computer, what is that? Vacuum tubes. Second generation computer, transistor. Third generation computer, integrated circuit. Fourth generation computer, microprocessor. Fifth generation computer, artificial intelligence.
So children, thank you so much. I hope it will be easy for each and everyone to learn the questions. Okay children, so all the best for your FA1 exam. So keep rocking. Okay, so do well and try to attend all the questions, children. So don't leave any question. Try to attend all the questions. Okay, so do well children. All the best. Thank you.